So there are a number of items on this agenda which are just reports for information, which are to be deferred until, or to be deferred to a future meeting, which I would hope would be the next meeting, on the assumption that we're able to have the next meeting face to face. So the reports which are to be deferred are item 11, item 13, item 14 and item 16. Those are all just reports for information. So that then means that we have completed the public section of the agenda. So that now leads us to item 17, which is the resolution to exclude the public, which I'm happy to move. Do I have a seconder for that resolution?
Happy to
Jimmy
second.
Chen will second. All those in favour say aye. Against? Any abstentions? That's carried. So we'll just wait for confirmation that we have stopped the live stream and we're actually in public exclude.